Spiders are everywhere, in forests, fields, and even in your homes. Fear of them is one of the most common phobias in the world, and studies show that even infants can show signs of stress when they see a spider. But where does this fear is actually from? And are spiders really something to be afraid of? Let's find out. Many of us find spiders scary, or at very least gross, and there's reason for that. Our ancestors lived in Africa, where many large and venomous spiders can still be found today. Back then, a spider bite could easily be fatal, even if the venom didn't kill, the resulting infection or weakness could. It's classical nature selection. These who feared spiders stay away from them, live longer, and pass on their genes. In that sense, we could say arachnophobia is our DNA. But is that really a phobia? Researchers show that even babies show stress responses to spider-like shapes, similar to how they react to the movement of snakes. A natural fear of spiders is completely normal and even useful, but a phobia is something different. It's an intense, irrational fear that disrupts everyday life. People with true arachnophobia may panic at just the thought of spider. They may avoid certain places entirely or feel sick just seeing a photo. Some phobias are learned from traumatic experience or picked up from others like parents or siblings. Others seem almost inborn. But are spiders really dangerous? In short, no, at least not for most of us. There are over 50,000 species of spiders in the world, and the vast majority are completely harmless to humans. Even the few that have medically significant venom are rarely fatal, and bites are extremely uncommon. In fact, you're far more likely to be stung by a bee or bitten by a dog than by a spider. What about the biggest spiders? Take Theraphosa apophysis and Theraphosa blondi, two of the largest spiders on Earth. They're so big they can weigh as much as a rat. And yes, their bites can hurt, but they're not dangerous to humans. They prefer to run away than fight, and their venom is mild. Of course, spiders aren't just scary for everyone. Some people think they're fascinating or even beautiful. Take Caribena versicolor for example, a colorful spider and one of the most popular spiders among keepers, or jumping spiders. Tiny, curious and sometimes strangely cute, with big front-facing eyes and quirky behavior. What's more, spiders are our allies. In our homes and gardens they help control mosquitoes, flies and other pests. One spider can eat hundreds of insects in a single year. Put simply, without spiders we'd have a lot more problems. So, it is really spiders we should be afraid of, or just the idea of them? Our fear may be ancient, but the truth is most spiders pose no threat to us. They're survivors, ingenious and hunters, tiny predators that help keep our world in balance. And maybe, just maybe, they deserve a little more respect than fear. It was Echoes of Earth. See you soon.